Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Capital One shopping rewards and how they work in 2025. So Capital One Shopping is a browser extension and mobile app that helps you save money through coupon codes, price comparisons, and cashback rewards. Once you install this, it automatically finds and applies the best available promo codes at checkout when you are shipping or shopping online. In 2025, it now supports over 100,000 stores including Amazon, Walmart, and Target. And now here's where rewards come in. When you shop through the extension, you earn shopping credits. These credits accumulates and can be redeemed for gift cards from popular retailers like eBay, Lowe's, and Sephora. A great new feature this year is the reward tracker. It gives you a breakdown of how much you've earned monthly, your redemption history, and how close you are to unlocking higher reward tiers. But here's the catch. Aren't available at every store, and you must shop through the Capital One shopping portal or have the extension active for them to count. Overall, it's a solid, free way to save and earn gift cards just by shopping online like you already do. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.